The emotional impact of sexual assault can be very difficult for a survivor. In this section of the video, we are going to discuss counseling and other support resources and their role in helping a survivor cope with their feelings and experiences. Although the experience of unwanted sexual contact is different for everyone, talking to a counselor can be a very helpful step in the healing process.
Hi, my name is Dr. Mandy Mount, Director of UC Irvine's Care Office. Our office provides education for the campus about sexual assault, dating and domestic violence, and stalking. We also provide resources for individuals who may have experienced any of these crimes.
Hello, my name is Dr. Amy Law, and I am one of the staff psychologists at the UC Irvine Counseling Center. The Counseling Center is the primary counseling and mental health agency for UC Irvine undergraduate and graduate students. We strive to assist students with their academic success by developing dimensions of well-being. The Counseling Center provides short-term, time-limited individual, couples, group, and family counseling. The center also assists students with urgent care and crisis intervention. Psychiatric evaluation and intervention are available on a limited basis for students concurrently seen in therapy. The center also provides outreach presentations and workshops to the university community. The center services are free of charge and available to all currently registered students. Students needing long-term and extensive services are referred to other appropriate community providers.
In addition to having many written materials and information on our website, our office has trained staff that can provide confidential support for survivors, including advocacy, group counseling support, and other healing options such as art and yoga. These are available to all students, whether you have experienced something recently or if some time has passed since the incident took place. Many people have never considered what kinds of feelings they might have after experiencing these crimes. Sometimes people may experience feelings that are just like what they would expect, and sometimes they are surprised by their reactions and wonder about normal ways of moving through the healing process. The truth is that reactions to traumatic events can and will vary from person to person. You are likely to be dealing with many different types of reactions. You may experience changes in sleeping or eating patterns, headaches, stomach aches, or heightened startle reactions. You may also cycle through a range of feelings that might include guilt, shame, depression, anxiety, anger, numbness, social withdrawal, difficulty with trust, or lack of concentration. Sometimes people experience flashbacks or nightmares related to the incident. It's important to recognize that these challenges are unique to trauma, and it may be helpful to work with someone who's experienced in managing these reactions. We can help you explore the impact of your experience, make sense of what you are feeling, and help you connect with other sources of support. We can also assist your decision-making, inform you about your options, and help to prepare you for things that might happen in the future. We can provide you with information and empower you to make the best decisions for you. When an incident of sexual assault, dating, or domestic violence or stalking occurs, it is natural to wonder why. Many survivors question whether they could have caused or prevented the incident. Any person can experience these crimes. It is important to remind yourself that it is not your fault.
When you set up an initial appointment, your counselor will want to know what has happened and will probably ask you a little bit about your history. Your counselor understands that you may feel uncomfortable with some parts of the story, and it is up to you to share at your own pace. Counseling is intended to provide you with support and to feel like a safe and comfortable place to heal. You should feel free to ask the counselor any questions that will help you feel more comfortable. Your counselor will not force you or try to persuade you to make any decisions that you are not comfortable making, unless your safety or another person's safety is at risk. You should remember that your counselor's role is to help you, and they can do this best with as much information as possible. You also will find that it is an important step in the healing process to share openly about what you have been through.
The Care Office believes in all forms of healing and also offers trauma-sensitive yoga classes and art healing programs. Trauma-sensitive yoga, a practice that creates an environment of safety, choice, and empowerment, gives survivors the tools to find self-regulation and take the steps to heal their bodies. Our art programs give you an outlet to heal and express your emotions in a way that you might not have the words for. You can find more information about these programs on our website or by calling the Care Office. We look forward to meeting you.